the dy dx notation. This method of finding the gradient of a curve is called differentiation. Grad y is mathematically written as dy over dx, but it's read as dy dx. Consider the graph shown. You have a point P on the curve whose x coordinate is x and y coordinate is y. If x increases by small change delta x, y will correspondingly increase by small change delta y, producing a point Q whose x coordinate is x plus delta x as shown, and the y coordinate is y plus delta y. And we have the chord PQ. So grad PQ will be the change in y, which is delta y, over the change in x, which is delta x. Now, if the chord is rotated to become the tangent at P, delta x will tend to 0, and delta y over delta x now tends to dy dx. Mathematically, we can write this that in the limit lim as delta x tends to 0, delta y over delta x tends to dy dx. Lim in the limit as delta x tends to 0. So if we summarize all the results we have, in number 1, the first graph, we got that grad y is equal to x squared is 2x. We also got in the second graph that grad y is equal to x cubed is 3x squared. And the third graph, we got that grad of y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 2. So putting it all together, in the first part, that implies that dy dx is equal to 2x. And in the second part, dy dx is equal to 3x squared. And in the third part, dy dx is equal to 2x plus 2.